Welcome to this edition of the Neves Library Tutorial. Today I'm going to take just a brief couple minutes to talk about Microsoft Word. That's the program that we use on a regular basis to create flyers for our users to get out to the community and show upcoming activities. Today I've chosen a rough draft from Youth Services. They allowed me to use their project they're coming up for this year's summer reading activities. So again, I do realize that this is a rough draft. Today we're going to take a quick look at just a couple things. How to sort paragraphs, or specifically bulleted lists, make them in alphabetical order. It's a little bit nicer looking and easier to read perhaps. And then we're going to talk about customizing those bullets. I'm going to scroll down the page here. Here we have a flyer for their upcoming Create a Comic Day on May 3rd. And participants will need to bring these items. There's nothing wrong with this bulleted list. I think it looks very nice. But I do want to show you, for those that maybe don't know the finesse part of Microsoft Word, this program can do so much more than we ever take advantage of. So I want to show you how to sort this list into alphabetical order. The first thing we're going to need to do is highlight the entire list. We're going to select our entire bulleted list, and we're going to remain on the Home tab, but under the Paragraph section we are going to go to Sort A to Z, and that's this A, Z, and a down arrow button. If you hover over it, you'll see that it says Sort. Give it a click. Descending would be Z to A, or lowest to highest. I want it to go A to Z, so I'm going to leave it on ascending and simply click OK. As you can see, our list is now in alphabetical order. Again, we would highlight our selection. On the Home tab, underneath the Paragraph section, we would click on the Sort A to Z button. It wants to sort by paragraph, and you can choose ascending, descending. Just to show you one more time, I will click descending, click OK. Our list is now in reverse alphabetical order. Very simple. Now, to move on to show you how to make a customized bullet. Not that there's anything wrong with a simple dot, but it is kind of fun, especially for Youth Services, to use something a little more unique. I'm again going to highlight our bulleted list, and we are again in the Home tab in the Paragraph section. This box here is for bullets. If I hover over it, it will tell me bullets. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow just to the right, and here we have a bullet library. You can choose any one of these items, or you can define a new bullet on the bottom. I'm going to click there. Now you can choose a symbol, a picture, or a font. Let's choose picture today. You can search text, or simply scroll through the list of different styles of bullets. Here's a beach ball. Since we are talking about summer, let's go ahead and choose the beach ball. I clicked on it, selected it. Now I will click OK. Shows me a little preview of what it will look like. Click OK again. Our bulleted list now has beach balls. And if I were to add to that list, it would automatically be a beach ball again. One more time, I'm going to select my entire bulleted list. In the Paragraph section of the Home tab, I'm going to click the drop down arrow next to bullets, and I'm going to define new bullet list, and I'm going to select picture, and we'll find something fun again, just a little different if we can. That's a little different. Select the item we want, click OK. We will then get a preview of what it will look like, and click OK. Our list now has custom bullets, and our list is in alphabetical order. Of course, you can review this tutorial as many times as you'd like. Thank you for watching it today. If you need more help, go ahead and call my office. You can reach me anytime, and we can talk more about how to liven up the flyers we send throughout our community.